Hello, I'm Ariana. If you're new here, if you're not, welcome back to my channel. Today we are getting into this really cute bronzy eye makeup look. So this is really easy to do. Since it's wedding season, I wanted to do something a little bit more formal and something that is very wearable. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this look. So the first thing that I did was go ahead and prep my eyes with the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer. This is a shade that's a little bit lighter for me. It's in the shade Natural. So I like to prep my eyes when I am going for more of a formal look. This is just going to help your eyeshadow stay on a bit longer, last, and also make these shades pop a little bit more. So my skin tone is a little bit darker than this eyeshadow primer concealer, okay? So this is going to make all of the neutral shades that I'm going to be wearing just pop a little bit more, and also just help me kind of define and add some details to the look. So I'm going in with the Too Faced Natural Nudes palette. This is a really nice neutrals palette for interesting looks like this, like formal and neutral. Okay, so I'm going in with a tapered off blending brush. This brush is really easy to use when you are going for details, so I am kind of trying to keep my eyeshadow shape kind of like in one place. So I went ahead and added a wing with the dark brown eyeshadow, and then I'm taking it into my crease. So this is kind of like kind of carving out my lid using like negative space. So I'm basically just creating the shape of my lid in the winged out shape that I'm going for. So I went ahead and blended out the brown eyeshadow out toward a wing, and then I put it a little bit above my crease to open up my lid space a little bit more. Then I went in with the same brush. I kind of cleaned it off a little bit so there's no pigment on it, and I am just blending out the edges of the crease area. So we're going to kind of create a gradient going from dark to light all the way up toward the brow bone from the crease, kind of like a cut crease situation, but just to go ahead and blur and blend all of those harsh lines going up toward the brow bone. I did also go in with some transition shades, so I'm basically just going from dark to light, and I ended with a white shade toward the actual brow bone, like right under my eye, to give myself a little highlight, which is here. So I also actually took the crease eyeshadow down the side of my nose as well, to kind of give it like a nice flowing shape that goes with my face. So if you stop your eyeshadow like where your eye stopped, it's gonna look like a really harsh line. So don't be afraid to go in and add some eyeshadow there to kind of blend it into your nose contour. Then I went in with a bronzy shade. So I'm using the darkest bronzy shade, the darkest brown shimmer shade in the palette, and I'm putting that all the way toward the end or the outer corner of my eye. And I'm kind of also creating a gradient going from dark to light from the outer corner to the inner corner. So this is going to create a really beautiful reflective kind of look, and also bring out the eyes from the inner corner as well, and kind of going with that flow of having a really nice deep outer corner and winging it out and creating that nice eye shape. So I went in with a lighter bronzy color. This is like a coppery shimmer shade, and I put that on the center, and I also am making sure that I'm not taking it all the way down to the lash line, because it did kind of create a little liner moment with the dark brown eyeshadow that we placed on in the first part of the video. So I'm just blending that in, blending that out, and I'm also not taking it above my crease as well. So this is kind of going to create a fake crease, an illusion, because I did kind of darken up the crease that we have here, and I'm just kind of staying with that shape. So the last thing that I did was go in with an even lighter brown bronzy shimmer shade for the inner corner. Again, we are going for a gradient, and I did take this down to my lash line as well, so it's kind of like opening up my eye and going from light to dark from the inner corner to the outer corner. So I went ahead and blended that in with the shimmer shade, which is really easy to do because shimmers are super easy to blend together. Then I took a champagne kind of shade and put that on the inner corner to give my inner corner a little pop of light and a pop of shimmer. So I went ahead and kind of blended that in, and this is basically the look. I went in and did some touch-ups. So I am going in with that dark brown shade, and I'm just kind of deepening up that eyeliner eyeshadow eyeshadow eyeliner look. So it's just a little bit more defined. It did kind of disappear when I did put on the shimmer shades, so you can definitely go in with actual eyeliner if you'd like, but I wanted to keep it pretty soft. So this is both of the eyes. This is what we're looking like, and I went ahead and cleaned up the outer corner. So this is the part that's going to make your eyeshadow look symmetrical with your other eye, and also just really nice and sharp with the direction of the eyeshadow that we're going in, and create that really uplifted look. So after I cleaned it up, I just blended it out a little bit, and this is the final look. I went ahead and added some eyelashes. You can go ahead and smoke out your lower lash line if you want a little bit more drama, but this is the final look. I like how it came out. It's definitely one of my go-tos. Let me know what you guys think. Don't forget to go ahead and give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. If you have any other video suggestions you'd like to see from me, please let me know, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!